Yeah, kind of like whittling. Kind of a fun little pastime, whittling. You don't even hear that word used anymore. We used to use it when I was a kid. This one here is Samuel Johnson. Hello, Samuel. He's doing something he didn't often do, which is drink. He sort of condemned drinking, thought it was a bad habit.
Dr. Johnson authored the first comprehensive English language dictionary back in the 18th century. Although not a Londoner by birth, he also loved to stroll around London's streets, particularly in the evening. He was thrilled when I brought him back home to his original residence, just off of Fleet Street in the City of London. And oh, he was so thrilled to be reunited with Hodge, his dear kitty cat,